touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're an old subscriber and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I got these yarn twists installed. I did yarn braids last year and that video really got a lot of views, so I assume that you guys really liked it, and I decided to film my yarn twist installation. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a walkthrough of the clips of it being installed and tell you guys what's what. So let's just get into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the items or products you'll need. You're gonna need something to moisturize your hair with, and sorry about that kite in the background. I hope you guys can hear me. I'll talk a little louder. But I use the Mystical Blends hair and skin oil to moisturize my scalp, and I use this olive oil moisturizing growth lotion to moisturize my hair shaft. So this was for my scalp and this is for my hair, and both of them I put on my ends. And she also used this, and this is the Shine and Jam conditioning gel extra hold to get the sleekness of the roots. As you guys can see, so this helped to hold the hair, and I really love this because it doesn't flake or anything, so that's why you guys see this in my videos so much. And of course you're gonna need some yarn or wool for the twist. You're also going to need rubber bands because this is the rubber band method, similar to the yarn braids, and a rat tail comb to ensure that the parts are pretty precise and sharp. And I think that's it. If there's anything else, I'll just tell you guys as I go through the video. I got triangle parts because I'm accustomed getting squares and I wanted to try something new. So that's what I got this time around because I just want to switch it up. And one last thing you're gonna need a lighter or some matches for the burning process of the ends of the hair, and I'll talk to you a bit more about that when we get to that part. But you're gonna need some sort of flame to burn the end. Okay, so in total I have 36 twists. What she did, she started by parting the triangles and putting in the rubber bands first to make sure that I had enough yarn, and to also make sure that the triangle parts were, I guess you could say, equal, and that she didn't just triangle and plait as she went along, which would possibly cause it not to be even or stuff like that. So what she did, she parted them first, and this is her parting them. And then she began to do the twist, and I let her do like the majority of my head first, and then I just saved a few for you guys to see the installation because you guys don't want to see my entire head getting done. So because this is a tutorial for beginners, what she did, she plait the root of my hair, so plait to like here, and then all the rest of my hair was done in twists. So that's what she did. going to show you guys a closer look at that as she's doing it. And she's just going to be braiding a small section to attach the yarn, and then twisting the rest of the section. And you guys are going to see me holding my hair, and when you see me holding my hair, that's just to relieve the tension from my scalp, so that when she's twisting it's not pulling too harshly on my scalp or breaking my hair. And after she finished twisting the ends, she just got it and she tied the end in a knot. I guess you can call it. Then she cut off the excess and burn the ends. So that's what you guys are gonna see now. So this is how the ends look after they were burnt, but she just tied it, burnt the ends with the lighter. And that was a twist, and she just did that around my entire head. And after that was basically the end. I don't think there's anything that I've missed. But yeah, and this is how my hair looks. I really love the triangle parts. I don't know why, I've never done it before, but this is my first summer protective style and I'm really loving it. And yeah, that's it. If you guys decide to try this style, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram down below for you guys to follow me if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.